So children, today we will discuss herons formula. In herons formula, the worksheet is there in the link in the description. In the herons formula, we will find area. Along with the area, we also find out longest and shortest heights. Longest and shortest heights. Okay, children. If I say 4, 5, 6 sums, then you will understand how to do longest and shortest heights. Anyway, before starting, I will say once longest and shortest height is what. Try to understand. Try to understand, children. Just try to understand. A, B, C. Children, if you think this is the longest side, try to understand. If you think this is the longest side, then this will have shortest height. Like this. Okay. So whenever you are finding the shortest height, if they ask what is the shortest height in the triangle, then you have to use base as the longest side. Again, I am telling, if you want shortest height in the triangle, what shortest height, sir, means three heights will be there. This is one height, this is one height, and this is one height. Three heights will be there, children. So shortest height will be there for longest side. For longest side, shortest height will be there, and longest height will be there for shortest side. Simple logic. That's all. Whichever side is shortest, whichever side is shortest, that will have longest height. Like that. You should understand. I hope you are comfortable, children. So whichever is having shortest side, that will have longest side, and which will be having longest side, that will be having shortest side. Like that. Slowly, if you do, you will understand, children. One by one, one by one. I will do all the sums. Please try to understand. Okay, children. Now, if I in the link, if you open, children, there are how many sums are there? 42 sums are there, children. In 42 sums, the last 10 sums I will do, children, and remaining sums you do as homework. Okay. Every case I will find out area. I want area. I want longest side and shortest side. I want area. I want longest and I want shortest. Three things I want. Okay, children. All of you see. All of you see here, children. In every case, I want area, longest side, and shortest side. Now let's start. Let's start. Okay. So please see here, children. First 40 seconds. Reverse I'm going. Reverse I'm going. So children, 40 seconds sum I'm doing. Yeah, all of you see here. First one in 40 seconds sum, children. This is a triangle whose perimeter is given as 144 and sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5. When sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5, then you have to find individual sides. So 144 is equal to 3x plus 4x plus 5x. Okay, children. Now, when sides are in the ratio of 3 and 4 and 5, then what will you say? 144 is equal to 7 plus 12. 12x. X is equal to 144 by 12 is 12. Now you have to find out individual sides. What are the individual sides? 3x, 4x, 5x. Please, children, all of you should follow. 3 into 12, 4 into 12, and 5 into 12. I'm just finding individual sides. Later we will do the sum. 36, 48, 60 centimeters is individual sides. Once you get individual sides, now what is the first step? Everywhere same. First find semi-perimeter, substitute in the formula, and find out the area. Substitute in the formula and find out the area. Now, apart from this, we'll also find out the shortest height and longest height also. Okay, so what is semi-perimeter? Perimeter by 2 is called semi-perimeter. What is perimeter? 144. 144 by 2, that is 72 is the semi-perimeter. Once you got semi-perimeter, substitute in the formula. What is the formula? A is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, substitute. When you substitute, what you will get, children? See here, 72 into 72 minus 36, 72 minus 48, 72 min60. Like this you will get. So area is equal to, please check children, all of you, everyone should concentrate, 72 into 36 into 12 minus 8 is 4 and 6 minus 4 is 24. 32 minus 60 is 12. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, so area is equal to, simplification I'm doing children, 72 can be written as 36 into 2 because 36 has square root, no, that's why I'm writing 36 into 2. 12, 6 are 72 also, I will write side means your wish, but 36 has square root, that's why I wrote like into 36. Don't do anything for 36 because 36 has a perfect square. 24 I can write it as 12 into 2 into 12. Okay, children, now you see for 36 6 will come out. For 36 6 will come out. For 2 12s 1 12 will come out. And for 2 2s 1 2 will come out. So what is the area, children? 6 is the 36, 36 to the 72, 72 into 12. What is 72 into 12? What you are getting, 72 into 12? Area is equal to 12 2s are 24, 12 7s are 84, 85, 86. 864 centimeters square is the area. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, 864 centimeter, 80 centimeters square area. Now, if you want, shortest height, then take longest base. Okay, children, half into base into height. Are you able to understand, children? So 864 is the area, half into, if you want shortest height, what is the longest base, children? This is the longest base. 60 is the longest base. You are able to understand, children? 60 is the longest base. 60 is the longest base. So 60 into h, then you will get shortest height. So 2 will go up because it is down. 60 will come down because it is up. So what you will get, children? H is equal to 864 into 2 by 60. Then what you will get? 2 that is 3 2s are 3 8s are 3 8s are 28.8 centimeters is the shortest height. That is the shortest height. Now, when you want longest height, you will take here shortest side. You will take here shortest side. Okay, I'm doing that also, children, so that you will have the perfect understanding. Every sum same, children. Procedure is same. Every sum is same procedure. Now, children, area is equal to 864. 864 is equal to half into. Please see here, children. Half into. What do you write? Half into. I want shortest height. No? Now I want longest height. Longest height. So then I have to take shortest base. Shortest base 36 into h. 2 18s are 18 comes down h equal to 864 by 18. Okay, children. So 864 by 18 to 4 are 3 are 2 are 2 9 are 9 6 are 54 9 5 are 45 9 4 are 36. 36 means 9 8 is the 48 centimeters is the 48 centimeters is the longest height and 28 centimeters is the shortest height. Like this, you should do, children. Today, I'm expecting you people to do this one, children. So you are finding semi-perimeter, formula, area, small height, big height. Small height, long height. Small height when you are using, take longest base. When you want longest height, take smallest base. Like that, children. If you have a basic idea, then every sum is same, children. Every sum is same. How many sums you do, that much perfect you will become, children. And it is very, very important. Please copy down, children. First, all of you should copy down, children.
Sir,
Yeah, please, no talking. Yeah, what is your doubt, Amma? Tell fast.
sir, can you, the down part is not visible, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself fast. Fast, children, fast, copy down. Yes, as is somewhat sounds like this, children. Okay, then you will understand. Same, everything is same procedure, children. You have to find out area, longest height, shortest height. Area, longest height, shortest height. That is our first.
Sir, can you again explain shortest side and longest side?
In next time, I will explain slowly, Nana. Listen, Nana, again. In next time, I will again explain. Please listen. Yeah. I'll explain it slowly in the next sum. Please see the longest and shortest. Yeah, children, next sum. You see, please see here. 41st question, children. 41st question. 41st question we will not do, children, because longest and shortest won't be there. 40th sum you see, children, all of it. 40th sum I'm doing. 40th sum, there is a triangle. In this triangle, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are the sides, centimeters. Children, this is the longest side. This is the longest side. So this will have shortest height. Longest side here. This is the height, children. This will have shortest height. And children, this is the shortest side. Please see here, children. This is the shortest side. So this will be having longest height. This is the longest height, like that. Okay, children. So whichever is the longer side, please see here, children. Suppose this is longest side, no? This will have shortest side, like that. And suppose this is the shortest side, no? This will have longest height. Longest side will have shortest height on it inside, and shortest side will have longest height on it inside, like that. Okay, so anyway, children, I'll be explaining again and again. You will understand. Please see here, children. First one, as it is semi-perimeter, you have to find out 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. By 2 because semi-perimeter. 7 plus 12. 12 by 2 is 6. First step is over, children. Now, what is the area? Area is equal to formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, children, what is the area, children? Under root of 6 into 6 minus 5, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 3. So, area is equal to under root of, please see here, children, 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. Area is equal to, this is 6 and this is also 6. Two sixes are there. So, 6, 1 6 will come out. Area is 6 centimeters square over. Now, if you want, area is equal to half into base into height, children. Okay, so 6 is equal to half into, if you want longest height, then I have to take shortest base. Shortest base will have longest height. Shortest base will have longest height. This will come up, children. So 12 is equal to, which is the shortest base, children? Shortest base is 3. Then you will get longest height, that is 4 centimeters. It's the longest height. From here to here inside, this is the 4. Okay, and A is equal to half into base into height. So 6 is equal to half into, suppose if you want to have shortest height, then you have to take longest base. Longest base if you take, that will have shortest height. Okay, so this will come up, children. 12 is equal to longest base is 5, then shortest height, this will come down. H is equal to 12 by 5. H is equal to 2.4 centimeters is the shortest height. Like that. You can see this is the longest height and this is the shortest height. If you know area is equal to half into base into height. Like this, children. No, sir, we still didn't understand this. I'll say one more sum, children, then you will understand clearly. Okay, children, go to the before sum. Before sum is 39th sum, children. 39th sum. 39th sum, children. Please go to 39th sum. I hope everyone copied it and running this. Fast, 5 seconds and we'll take to copy. 11 60 61, children. 11 60 61. So 11 60 61. This is the longest side, so it will have shortest base. Okay, children. So first we'll find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half perimeter. First perimeter is 61 plus 60 plus 11. Sum of all sides is perimeter. Semi means by 2. 61 plus 60 is 121, 131, 132 by 2. So semi-perimeter is how much, children? 2 6 66 centimeters is the semi-perimeter. Okay, children. Next, someone please open the calculator and keep, children. If I ask any calculations, you please let me know. So area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, children. So let's substitute in the area formula. Area is equal to under root of 66 into 1 is 66 minus 61. 1 is 66 minus 61. Other is 66 minus 60, and the other is 66 minus 11. 66 minus 11. Okay, children. So under root of 66 into this is 5 into this is 6 into this is 55. Please check, children. So I hope everything I did correctly. Check if I did anything mistake, please. Okay. Now please see here. 66 I will write as 11 into 6. 5, 6. 55 I will write 11 into 5. 2 11s are there, 1 11 will come out. 2 5s are there, 1 5 will come out. 2 6 are there, 1 6 will come out. Wow, fantastic. 4 number here. So 5 6 are 30. 30 into 11 is 330 centimeters square.
330.
330. If I ask you, tell me. So 330 centimeters square is the area. Okay, children. Once you know area, now it is easy to find out height for children. So it depends upon if you want area is equal to half into, if you want the shortest height, if you want shortest height, then I should take longest base. 330 is equal to half into what is your longest base, children? Longest base is 61. Longest base is 61. So you'll get shortest height. Okay, 2 will go up, 61 will come down. So h is equal to down one will go up one will come down like this. Okay, so now you tell them 660 by 61. Can you tell how much? 660 by 61. So 660 by 61.
10.8.
Thank you, ma'am. 10.8 centimeters. Immediately mute yourself. Thank you. 10.8 centimeters is shortest height. Shortest height. Okay. Now suppose I want to find out the longest height. Okay, I will ask Ashrit. What Ashrit will do for longest height? I will ask. Ashrit, can you tell me if you want to find out the longest height, what you will do, Nana? Ashrit.
Sir, we have to take shortest base.
Okay, can you please tell me substitution, Nana? Area is equal to how much?
Sir, 330.
Very good, fantastic. 330 is equal to half into.
Into
If I want
11.
longest height means shortest side. Shortest side is 11. You understood now? 11 into.
Yes, sir.
11 into what I will do? 11 into h.
Height.
Down will go up will come down. So h is equal to 330 into 2 by 11. 1130 is 32 is 60 centimeters. Is the 60 centimeters is the longest height. Longest height. Longest height. Like this, children. Simple, children. If you want to take longest height, take shortest base. If you want shortest height, take longest base, children. Because if you know how to find out the heights only, then you can do trapezium, parallelogram sums. Indirectly, we have to use Heron's formula and you have to find out height. That height we can use for base into height or half h into a plus b in trapezium and parallelograms. Okay, children. Last one sum I'm telling children. After this, we will end the class. Okay. All of you get ready. I may ask any one student to help me. You should only tell children. All substitutions and solvations, you should only tell. All of you get ready. So now I am going to do 35th sum, children. 35th, because not 35th sum, something which is very tough we will do. Okay, we will do 37th sum because it's very big number. No? Big numbers if you do, then you will feel comfortable. Okay, children, there are 3 sides are there, children. 325, 300, 125. 325, 300, 125. Very, very big numbers. Okay, children. Now, first I want to find out semi-perimeter. For semi-perimeter, Satvik will help me. Satvik, can you help me for semi-perimeter? Only semi-perimeter. How to find out semi-perimeter?
S is equals to 325 1 by 2, 325 plus 125 plus 300
by 2.
By 2.
Okay, 325 plus 125 is how much? 350, 400. 400 plus 300, 700.
4 plus 300, 700.
700 by 2 is how much? 350.
350.
Thank you. Can you mute yourself? Thank you so much. Now, next, Pravalika will say. Pravalika is there? Area, substitution. Which case you tell me? Area substitution. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
S into S minus 125.
350 minus 125.
125 into 350 minus
Sir, it
300.
is 750 by 2. Not
750.
700.
Yeah, sir, it's 750,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, 750. Yeah, sorry. 750 means
Yes, sir.
is 375, no?
Ah, yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, no, 375. Okay. So 375, 375, 375. Okay, next.
Into 375 minus 120. Sorry, 325.
Okay, 375 minus
1
120.
325.
125, no? Okay.
320
125,
325, sir.
325. Yeah, 325. Okay, now you let me know. So what do you get? 375 into okay, Nana, remaining I will do 5 minus 5 is 0
Okay.
children, 7 minus 2 5, 3 minus 1 2, again 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 0 7, next 5 minus 5 0 5. These are the okay children. So now please see children, 375 prime factorization we will do, and we will keep it children so that an easy method. Okay, prime factorization now. Yeah children. So 375, how to write in easy way? I'm saying 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. So 75 into 5 we will write children, because one more 75 is there. No? 75, 75 we can take it children. So 75 into 5 I will write 370. Coming to 250 children, 25 into 10 I will write, because 25 is perfect square root of children. And 50 I will write 25 into 2 children, because 25 is a perfect square root. Like that you should analyze children. If you analyze, then you will get 275's 175 will come out. 2 5 is not there. Okay, no problem. 225's 125 will come. 5 twos are 10. Here 10 is there. Two tens are there. 110 will come. This is your area. Okay, children. So what is your area? 25 fives are 125. 25 sevens are 175. 185. 18750.
18750.
Okay, children. So area is equal to 18750 centimeters square is the area. Okay, now I want substitution for longest height and shortest height. Who will help me? First, Raghuram will help for the longest height. Longest height. Raghuram, I
Yes.
want longest height.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 1870 is equals to
Okay, half into.
1 half into 125
Yeah, shortest
into
side we
h.
should take. You have to take. We have to take shortest side into longest base. Okay, shortest side for longest side. So this will go up. This will come down. So h is equal to
Sir,
18750 into 2 by 125. Thank you.
300.
And how much am I?
300,
sir,
sir.
300 centimeters. If you solve, you get 300 centimeters. Like this. Okay, children. Now I want last one, children. Shortest height I want. Harsha will tell shortest height. Harsha, can you tell me, help me for shortest height? What you should do?
Then half into base into height is equal to
Okay.
18750.
Shortest height we have to take longest base.
Then half into 325 into height is equal to 18
This will go up. This will come down. Can you tell me the substitution? 18750 into 2 by
into 2 by 325 is equal to height.
how much, Amma? Yes, anyone? What is the value?
Sir,
Ah,
it is 115.3.
115.3 centimeters. If you solve, you will get. Okay, Nana, mute yourself. Thank you. So children, like this, we have to do for longest height and shortest heights, children. And first, so everywhere procedure is same: semi-perimeter, substitution, solution, longest height, shortest height. So how many sums you are going to do for tomorrow as homework means? I'm telling children, first to open the link in the description. There are 42 sums are there, children. Some I did.